Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix not getting message notification on the iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are not getting your messages or text notification, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that your eSIM or physical SIM is working properly. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some time, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general again, and this time you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply go back and you have to look for the notification settings. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on notification, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the settings related to messages. So here you have to simply turn on all the notification settings. So here you have to make sure that you have turned on this toggle. So if it is turned on, then well and good, and if it is not turned on, then you have to simply make sure that it is turned on. And you can also check the notification, whether you want to get the notification on lock screen or not. So in this way you can also get the notification on your lock screen by changing the settings. Moreover, you can also check for the show previews. Moreover, you can also set customized notification. So if you want to set customized notification, then you can also set. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply restart your device, and after that you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for the next update, because many errors and bugs are fixed by the latest version of the iOS. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.